Hi, my name is Alice Lee, and this is a day in the life of a Stanford Pain Fellow. I usually like waking up sometime between 5 or 5:30. That gives me plenty of time to do a workout and then drive to work. This is the entrance to the Stanford location for our outpatient pain center. This is where you'll be doing clinic and procedures. So on a procedural day, I usually get in around 6:50 or so to consent the first 2 cases of the day and have time to scrub in. We do a combination of ultrasound guided and fluoroscopy guided procedures. After a couple of cases, usually they're pretty quick turnover, I have a chance to grab lunch that we can order from our online system. Around Christmas time, it was really nice because there was a potluck with a lot of really great, yummy treats that people brought in. We do a couple more procedures in the afternoon usually, and then I can pick up maybe a snack or two. I know this video is in the day of a life of, but to be honest, a single day as a pain physician is never the same. So on a clinic day, we usually start out, for example, with some teaching in the morning, and our lectures are really great and very, very small groups, so you can have a chance to ask plenty of questions. The clinic days can consist of seeing patients. There's also clinic procedure days where we do procedures that are not requiring the C-arm in the operating room. And if I'm lucky and I get out early, I can have time to catch a dance class. So I like doing that after work and doing a couple rehearsals. After dance class, I like to try to eat healthy. This was an attempt at making paella, and I think it turned out all right. After dinner, I like to do some studying, some relaxing, and then migrate eventually to my bed, where I like to catch up on a bit of research and get ready for the next day. Thank you so much for joining me for this day in the life of a Stanford Pain Fellow video. It's such a rewarding fellowship and I'm learning so much. I hope to see you again. Bye!